Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today we're going to make a hearty breakfast and we're going to use the Lodge cast iron griddle on the good old Sportsman's Grill. So y'all stay tuned. So yeah, a lot of you guys have been asking us to bring back that combination, the Sportsman's Grill with that griddle on top. We've done a couple of different things with that. So if you're new to the channel, make sure, first of all, that you hit that subscribe button and ring your bell. And if you're on mobile, there's a new deal out there, okay, with the mobile app. When you subscribe and ring the bell, it's going to ask you whether you want to be informed of every video, if you want to be occasionally notified or not notified at all. So if you only click occasionally, you might only get 1 out of 10 of our videos. So if you're watching on mobile, just hit inform me of every video from this creator and you'll be notified right there on your mobile device every time we put up a new video. So the other reason I'm bringing this back out again is because a lot of you guys, and we appreciate it, have gone right over there to our Amazon store, purchased that griddle and the Sportsman's Grill. They're my #1 and #2 seller there on Amazon. We appreciate everyone who's gone over there and done it. If you haven't checked it out yet, we're going to leave you the link to our store right down in the very first comment and in the description box. Now, if you go over there to the store and you don't see what you want, just use the search bar at the top. You can buy anything that you can buy, anything on Amazon right there, right through our link. It's easy. Go do it. All right, folks. So when I'm doing this with the Sportsman's Grill and the Lodge griddle, I like to use lump charcoal. So we got some good cowboy lump charcoal going right there in the good old Weber chimney starter, my favorite one. And then we're going to fire up this grill and let it start getting hot. So for our breakfast today, we have a treat. These are venison backstrap, and I'm going to season them pretty good with our homemade steak and brisket rub. This is some really awesome blend of herbs and spices. If you want to see how to make this from scratch, I'm going to leave you a link right down in the description box to our video on how to make our top secret steak and brisket rub. So those of you who don't know yet, we got some great new sponsors. So stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to tell you how you may get a brand new toolkit from Grill Heat 8. And here's a little trick. Keep your pancakes from sticking. This is just a half of a white potato. Okay? Just half of it. We oiled the griddle. If you just take this guy and you rub it on your griddle here before you put your pancake down. I'm dropping everything this morning. You'll have no sticking whatsoever. So I like to pour these out of a measuring cup. Just helps me gauge the size of them. So there we go. We're nice and hot. Now, it did take a little while for that, to get hot over the cowboy lump coals. And if you're using coals from your campfire, going to be the same way, and you're probably going to have to stoke them up a little bit as you go along. The other big news from the Backwoods Gourmet channel, we now have our official logo right on some great t-shirts right down here. You'll see it right below the description box. Teespring's advertising our merchandise down there. This is brand new to YouTube and to Teespring. So we're designing new shirts all the time. If you click, you can click the right arrow right there on that ad, and it'll show you other designs. Or you can click right on the Teespring store front for the Backwoods Gourmet. I'm going to leave you that link right down here in the description box, and I will show you everything that we have up there. We're coming up with new designs all the time, and it's, you know, it's brand new. We're still trying to kind of figure it out, but we appreciate the folks that have already gone over there and got their official Cast Iron Crew t-shirts. All right, as soon as they start to dry around the edges, I like to just ensure that they're not going to stick by just going around it with my spatula. And quick flip. Absolutely no sticking. And we got nice even color on them also. We're doing the pancakes first, and then we'll come back and we'll do our steak and eggs. Every time we take a pancake off, just going to rub that real quick with our potato again. Go ahead and pour out our cakes. This came off no sticking at all. You've seen that. That's a great trick. Usually when you're out camping, you're going to have some potatoes with you. So one more time, I'm going to show you how easily these come off your griddle. Now, this is no replacement for having your griddle seasoned. So some of you guys may be asking if the Sportsman's Grill, if this damper door does anything. I can tell you from experience from using it, especially in this configuration, you can actually move your hot from one side to the other by alternating which side you open. If I open it with the opening on the right, it gets hotter on this side. If I open it with the opening on the left, it gets hotter on that side. If I slide it all the way off, it gets hot all the way across. So right now it's a little hot. So I'm going to clamp it off just a little bit. And that actually does a fairly good job at regulating the heat. So our pancakes look great. Now it's time to put on that beautiful venison backstrap steaks. And hey, let's do some eggs. I don't want to overcook these. I want to cook them to about a medium. Otherwise they'll get really tough, even though it is backstrap. I kind of nestled those on purpose so I can drop a pat of butter right there. There, nice sear on the backstrap. Give it about another couple minutes on that side, and we're going to take that off. So we got a little stuff left leftover from last night's dinner. Some onions, another pat of butter. That right in the middle of them. And we got some smoked sausage. Let's go ahead and griddle that off too. Alright guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to clean your Lodge griddle real fast. Well, we got a little bit of water in here. And I have the Lodge cast iron brush. You can do this over a 5-gallon bucket when you're camping. You can do it hell in the lake. You know, when I was in the Boy Scouts, we used to use sand to clean our cast iron and wash our dishes right in boiled lake water. And when you put it on there this hot, you don't really have to worry about it, any kind of bacteria surviving that. There you go. Throw it back up on the Sportsman's grill and let it dry. Good to go. Alright guys, so time to serve this beautiful breakfast up Backwoods Gourmet style. Comes in our over easy eggs. I love those. Seminole Swamp seasoning is awesome on those fried eggs. Gonna bring in some of our venison backstrap, smoked sausage, and a little bit of our grilled onions right on that. Right, and of course we also did our pancakes. Those all you need, a little butter, a little syrup. I kind of softened some butter over there on the side. What's pancakes without butter? So there you go. Breakfast on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill and the Lodge cast iron griddle. Now, let's see how we did on this backstrap. Let's make a little cut in there. I like mine about medium rare. That's before it gets tough. Okay, let's take a look at that. It looks like a perfect medium to me. That's going to be awesome. Hey guys, breakfast was awesome. That venison backstrap was phenomenal. And everything, all the sides, just great deal. Make that out at your camp, you're going to be a big star. I wanted to give you a real quick note about one of our new sponsors. That's Grill Heat Aid. They make this nice little barbecue kit here. You might have seen us use this. And it pretty much has everything that you need to do any kind of barbecue outdoor cooking right inside. And it's a nice, you know, carry case for it. And we wanted to do a giveaway, but YouTube's got all kinds of new rules about giveaways. So what we're doing is be sure to leave a comment down in the comment box below, because every 2 months, I just gave one away last week, but every 2 months I'm going to take the best comments that we get down on our page, no matter what video it's from, and the fine folks at Grill Heat Aid are going to send you one of these for nothing. So sure to leave us a comment. Hey, it doesn't have to be you know, praising what we do here. The last guy won it because he noticed a little thing that I said in the video, and that's kind of, it's going to be kind of my decision. You can make me laugh, you can make me cry, or you can make me cuss, and you still might get a nice barbecue toolkit. Thanks for watching the Backwoods Gourmet. As always, if you like what we're doing, please hit that like button right down there and check out our links right down in the description box below. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications using the little bell, you can do that right here. To see another great Backwoods Gourmet video, it's going to be right up there. And for a whole playlist of cooking with the Lodge cast iron Sportsman's Grill, going to be right up there. We'll see you next
We
time.
just threw our griddle back up on the Sportsman's Grill. I'm going to go ahead and put a disaster on it. Well, my cap came right off.